Hello, book buddies. This is Miss Evelyn. Guess where I am? I'm at a noisy construction site. That's right, a construction site where they build tall buildings. Our book today is dedicated to my virtual nephews, Jerron and Joshua. Goodnight, construction site. Jerron and Joshua are the Hurtt twins. They have a YouTube channel, and I'll put their information in the description box below. Excavators 1, 2, 3. The authors are Sherri, Duskey, Rinker, and Ethan Long. Excavator arrives on site, ready to work and do it right. The team's counting on him today, so he'll get started right away. He revs right up and digs right in. There's one foundation to begin. With dump truck, it's a 2-truck crew. He'll help Excavator through and haul away what they don't need. This team has toughness, strength, and speed, just like Joshua and Jerron. Excavator lifts 3 loads of sand and digs 4 trenches in the sand. Then Excavator can begin to set some drainage piping in. He sets 5 pipes all in a row. Dump truck backfills, and off they go. Excavator lifts and twists around and quickly clears 6 gravel mounds. Excavator loves to dig, lift, run, but now he's having too much fun. Dump truck blows a few stern puffs. Get back on track now, friend, he puffs. Excavator jumps right into action, revs up the hill with super traction. He dumps 7 scoops in dump truck's bed, then rolls back down on steady tread. The two keep rocking all day long, lifting, hauling, quick and strong. They see 8 boulders, huge and gray. One lifts them, one hauls them away. Big Excavator stops, digs, rolls, and in a flash, he's dug 9 holes. Giant piles, 10 in all lined up, neat and tall. The sun has set, the workday ends. Everyone counts on these great friends. At one awesome construction site, 2 trucks did their jobs just right. Their day is done. Goodbye and good night. And good night, Joshua and Jerron and all of my book buddies. Don't forget to say your prayers and brush your teeth before you go to bed. Listen to mommy and daddy. Be nice to your brothers and sisters. Be a friend, not a bully. And run, play, and jump outside. I'll see you next time on Story.